All right, as you see, the market coming down some more, man. Down now, $158 for the day. Portfolio value $141, $141,737.68. Buying power $175,771.43. All right. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel also. I don't know if y'all watch my market update, new trading strategy. Well, not really, man. Market is getting beat on down. I was looking at the AMD with the yield maxes, most of them, AMD wise, Coney's, ULT wise, and everything. I was gonna stay out of them. All the ones I got 100 shares of, because that's what I wanted to do, and just reinvest the dividends. Putting them into USOI, RYLD, USOI, HRZN. TSLY one I still like. That kick out good dividends. Like I said, all of them are trading. TSLY trades, of course, according to Tesla. I like that. I'm gonna stay with the TSLY, MSTY, NVDY. I might do Coney still. I know I'm gonna do Fiat because that's the inverse. We're gonna do YMAG, YMAX, XDTE, and QDTE. We might jump back in ULTY. They about to start paying out weekly on the 12th of March. And we're still gonna get QQQY and IWMY. So definitely gonna go with those weekly ones. Trying to leave those monthly payers alone. Let them. We're gonna reinvest the monthlies into the weeklies. That's basically it. Ain't nothing for you to get shaken about. Like I say, they for income base. That's why you get 100 shares and just let it ride. I went over the $100 mark. You know, I'm a very, very aggressive, but there's more dividends I just get. And with the yield maxes, most of them that you lose in, you gotta look at your total return over the years. Just let the dividends come and put into another play. And one day you just look, see how much you're down in dollars. Look at the percentage. Percentage is good, but look at the dollars. Then go back and count all your overtime dividends, and you should be up. If you're down 400 in your portfolio, $400, and you made 850 in dividends over the time, you still up. A total return $450. So that's how you gotta like play that. Okay. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's get to work. QQQY. This one pays out weekly. Like I say, not loading up on nothing. About to get it in. TSLY, like I said, I'm going to do TSLY and MSTY. Going to be my monthlies. And NVDY. Those ones I like. I just went all in on all of them when I started. I shouldn't have done that. But like I say, the trade I am now was not the trade I was then. But I did it for the dividends. So, but they just having a bad month now. You know, when things get better, they're going to pay more in dividends. So right now I'm just back up off them and focus on these. All right, we're gonna go USOI. Pays out monthly also. This month paying out like $1.75 a share a month. That's options on oil. So we got QQQY, boom, TSLY. Let's go in and knock out the another one I'm gonna get into. I'm gonna do USOY too. This the oil one. Not loading up on nothing, like I tell you. Do not load up on anything. $3 worth. See, when I first started, the reason I am down, I was grabbing like 5 shares a day. And 5 shares of this, 5 shares of that. You know, I was going hard. But I didn't give it time. I wasn't thinking that the yield maxes are new for me to actually see how they would perform in the future, whether they hold up. And most of them didn't. That's why I say do not load up on nothing. On YMAX, the reason I'm down to where I am, I wouldn't want to get 100 shares before Trump did his tariff thing. That's why my average call is at $16.20. I brought shares at like $16, 100 shares. But now you don't see me doing that anymore. I'm just piecing it together, especially now that it's down. If those 100 shares I did get, if I'd have just not did that and it did $3 to $5 a day, I have a better average cost, but I'm getting more in dividends every week too, so it all average out. So I'm not loading up on nothing. I do want to get my 100 shares of YMAG. That one you might see me get a share every day. Like I say, right now, trading at these lows for the day, I'm just paying $5 here, $3 there, $5 here, not loading up on anything. So remember, when things get good, these stocks gonna go up. So Misty, this one is options on MicroStrategy. Let's deal with Bitcoin. This one here, you definitely want to get this one here. This gonna go back to the $30 range, especially if Bitcoin go up to $100,000. That's why I got out of Bitcoin and just brought that one. SPYT. Just Defiance doing options on S&P 500. So this one here kind of saves 33 cents a share a month. More stable, less volatile than the rest of them. NVDY. I say ain't loading up on nothing. This one I did never load up on. I just brought fractional shares of it. As you can see in my position in it, I don't have a lot of it. XDTE. Round Hill pays out weekly. We'll get paid tomorrow. Be your position up in that one, especially catching at the low like today. QDTE. $36.44. $5 worth. XYLD. Like I said, on the yield maxes, I'm not buying. I'm gonna probably, if I do go through with it, I can change my mind and switch up. But this pays out monthly too. Like I say, just let the dividends, just reinvest the dividends in the other plays. And probably at the end of the year, I'm gonna look at my total return on it and see where I'm standing at. Let's reinvest the dividend somewhere else. XYLD, PFLT. You also want to get you some BDCs and REITs, because they more of a consistent payment, especially if you want to retire. You're going to be looking for consistency on your dividend, your income every month. So with the yield maxes, any option ETF is going to change. You're going to get paid monthly or weekly. That's not going to change none. But what will change is let me see where I'm at right here. Okay. But what will change is the payment it kicks out every month. So that's what you want to like I said, because you don't know whatever your bills are every month. You might need $3,500, and messing with these, some months might come below that, depending on how it's paying out. Some months gonna be higher than that. So you want some consistency. So you might want to invest your dividends from the yield maxes and put them into something like that. All right, back on the trade. Got ticker HRZN. This one been down. $8.70 is at. This is where you go in at. Especially accumulating these shares, pays 11 cents a share a month. Like these are the ones I'm going in getting those shares of every day. I want to get me 1,000 shares of this. Right now I am at 820. 52-week low of this is 846. So taking advantage of this dip here. We're going to go RYLD. Also got to love this one, 16 cent a share month. Got down to 15.40. I did get 10 shares of that price. So see what's going to happen there. I put another buy order in at 15.40. I'm taking advantage of this. Need to get my 1,000 shares again. The reason I had over 1,000, but I swing traded it, buying at 16 and under, selling it at 16.70. Making profit and making money off the dividends. But at 15.46, it's a price you still cannot beat. So y'all going to get that. I done got mine for the day. MED, Medifast. Y'all know I got my swing trade I got going on with this. Y'all can stay out of this, but it's a good entry level. This stock, I think, ain't going to do nothing but go up, especially after all these interest rates. When they go down and these businesses can go get a loan and reinvest to the company. Just hard to do right now with these interest rates the way they are. VTRS, Viatris. I'm gonna go get $3 of this. Got to take advantage of this dip. We are going with SCCHG. It's the large cap Charles Schwab version of the S&P 500. Gotta go get some of this. I got this in 2 different portfolios. One gonna be a long term, one gonna be a swing trade. One, I'm gonna probably put one of these inside of them. I might start a Roth IRA with Robinhood and just put all these growth stocks into it. Let that just be my growth until then. And one, if I wanted to sell it for income and put into a dividend stock, I can do that. So WMT, Walmart. Every time Walmart pull back, you take advantage of it. I got this on recurring investment at $1 a day. I did put something. I got to send another portfolio too, but this will Walmart trading at. Another one I like, GOOY. Options on Google. I don't own Google, but I own this ETF. This got down to 13.15 today. Don't pay major dividends like the other ones, but it's less volatile. All right, these 3 growth stocks I'm gonna give y'all. Do whatever you want, but this is where I'm going at. I'm going with Amazon. I started a position in my Cash App growth portfolio. It's at $200.88. Got a high 242.52, low 151.661. Take advantage of this pullback. I'm going with TSLA, Tesla. It's trading the 260s. This gonna go back above the 330 easy. Take advantage of this pullback, even if it pulled back to the 200s. And go with AMD. Another one. Buying $5 a day of those 2. And what other one was it? Yeah, we did that. Walmart, WMT. Yep, no, let me give you OXLC just to show you this. Y'all already know 9 cents a share a month. Just got down to 501 today and shot right back up. Like I say, so this is another one you want to get long-term holding buy. Alright, let's go check our traps. Make sure we ain't leave no meat on the bone. We all know everything is coming down, so we ain't tripping on none of that. Ain't selling nothing. Gonna keep everything for the dividend. Like I say, after all, even if you hold these for the next four years till Trump does get out of office. I'm not saying I am or I'm not a Trump fan. Let him do whatever he doing. I'm not getting into that. But for y'all that don't believe in what he doing, or do remember he's only in the office for 4 years. I did hear he trying to increase, guess the time the president could be in the office since he's already in there. That happens, it happens. I mean, I have no problem with it, to be honest. I gotta take care of my 3 kids no matter who is in the office. That's why I don't do politics. But I'm gonna get paid anyway, so I really don't care. That's just how much of my attention I don't give to the politics. Cause I'm gonna make my money stay out of sight and out of mind anyway. I live my life staying from under the radar, so I am good. All right, let's see what else going on out here. What might have slipped past my watch list. I say I'm going with just high yielding cash flow from here on out. Let's look at land. See if this got back near its 52-week low. 11.58. 52-week low is at 10.27. I want to catch this around $11. See if this gonna pull on back. So not in a hurry. It's other places I can put my money. Charge point is one I did not do. Need to go in at 66 cents. Go in and get me 5 shares of that. I see, going to lower your average cost down. When this thing get on the tail, get on a rocket. You already want to be in the driver's seat. You don't want to be telling people to stop, hold on, let me put on my belt and all that there. We already taking off. But yeah, I'm taking care, like I'm taking advantage of that RYLD. That's one of my go-to, my for sure. I'm willing to go broke on them. For that nice 12% yield, like I said, that's going to go back above the $16 mark easily. I done been here trading that. I don't know everything. Some things can change, but I never had any bad results with it. And it always been in this range here. When you be thinking, man, I'ma just ain't gonna buy much, you might you better load on up, cause that thing will move quick. It'll jump up to a million plus trades a day, and it'll start flying. NFL Netflix options on Netflix 1672, 1677, 1541, 52-week low. Let's see if it come on down some more. That's a less volatile one. That YMAG, Misty's did all that. YBit is one that trades according to Bitcoin. It's another one to have too if you don't want to deal with Bitcoin. Pays out good dividends too. I think this one, I still don't have my 100 shares. So I'm dollar cost averaging on in into it. Like I said, I'm going to get my 100 shares and I'm going to let them ride. But on that one, I'm probably going to play with it because I'd rather do that than Bitcoin. 2702 IWMY. Definitely got to buy this dip. Pays out weekly too. All right, another one I got that's people slipping on, waste management. This is a boring stock. Yep, I know that. But one thing about it, this thing don't do nothing but go up. So I got $1 a day going in that. This a discount of $5.50 a share. Put another $2 on it, cause that's a discount. These little small pullbacks are the things you want to buy, cause over time when that market turn bullish, like I say, you got all these little $2 and $3 over time. It does add up. This another one pays out monthly, FEPI. It's a nice one, like more like a less volatile one. Like I say, don't you load up on nothing. Only way you load up on something is you load up and just reinvest the dividends only. When they pay that dividend every month, you just reinvest that on out. Don't invest no more new money into it. TOPT, when I've been giving y'all the top 20 U.S. stocks. Definitely another one you want to get. I want me 100 shares of this. It's TOPT. Got QQQH, SPYI. Was a new one I added. Options on SPY. So for you, the dollar cost average on N2. See, I'm throwing a little $2, $3, $2, $5 here and there. QQQH was one you get with a spin-off from somewhere, because I know I did not buy this. But I'm up in it anyway, and it pays out a good dividend. So I'm just keep that for the dividend and let it ride. All right, that's everything. PPPY, let's go get that. That's PayPal. Options on that. And that's it, man. Enjoy your day. Stay alive and stay safe. Signing off. Go get your money.